Release date. CPU type. Instruction set. Code name. Interrogated GPU. Total core. Total threads. Base frequency. Turbo boost frequency. Bus frequency. Multiplayer. L1 cache. L2 cache. L3 cache. Unlock multiplayer. Thermal design power. Fabrication process. Transistors. Socket. Bake temperature. Die size. GPU base clock. GPU boost clock. Shading units. Texture mapping units. Render output units. Execution units. Thermal graphics power. Memory type. Max memory size. Max memory bandwidth. ECC support. Memory channel. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.